Built-in laundry hamper sorting drawers transform cramped spaces by letting you sort at the source without bulky, freestanding bins. Install shallow pull-out divided hamper drawers in a bathroom vanity or hallway closet to keep sorting convenient and out of sight. Use rigid, moisture-resistant drawer pans or removable labeled fabric bins that fit those drawers so you can pull them out, carry them, and wash the liners separately. Where vertical space is your only option, stack narrow, ventilated laundry baskets in a slim tower and secure them with a lightweight frame so baskets do not wobble when loaded. Choose breathable materials to limit odors. For kitchens or mudrooms, fit a hidden hamper behind a cabinet door that uses a pivoting or soft-close hinge so the bin tilts out with one hand, and line it with washable, labeled sacks for quick transfer to the washer. Consider a tilt-out laundry chute with modular bins in multi-level homes or apartments to route clothes down to a single sorting point. Keep bin openings uniform and sized for common garments to speed loading. When measuring, subtract 2 inches from internal cabinet depth to allow hardware clearance and double-check door swing to prevent catches. Always test with a loaded bin to confirm smooth operation. People often pick bins that are too deep for their drawers, which leads to jams and awkward lifting, so measure depth and handle clearance, then choose low-profile liners that lift straight out. Another common issue is poor ventilation, causing odors and mildew, so use breathable fabrics or perforated plastic and wash liners every 2 weeks to prevent buildup. Finally, many try to sort by too many categories, which defeats the simplicity goal. Limit to 3 or 4 categories like lights, darks, delicates, and towels, and use clear labels to keep the family consistent. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners discover local options for built-in laundry sorter ideas and compare contractor approaches. Our site connects contractors seeking work with homeowners, planning projects, and includes an active discussion community where users share real installations, tips, and supplier recommendations.